Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and it's Tom's Radio Room Show, and it's approximately 6:30 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida, and the band conditions are pretty good this morning. So I thought, what the heck? Let me try my new Tecsun S-2200x, and it's receiving great. Um, Now I'm using, oh boy, I shouldn't be doing this. I'm using an old webcam to record this, and I'm using the microphone input to the old webcam. But I was too lazy to go upstairs and get my cell phone, which is what I normally use. So the video and the audio especially is not going to be fantastic. But I had this playing. I said, what the heck? Let's do a quick recording to show people that band conditions are good, show them how good this radio is. I really like this radio. And this is China radio, and S meter is way up there. It's in Chinese, which of course I don't understand, never will. But periodically they broadcast in English, and I like to listen to what they're saying about the news. So this is not this particular frequency, but other frequencies they're on. I like to listen to them. So it looks like band conditions have really improved this winter. And so I'm looking forward to listening to stations like this. Let's just do some quick tuning, see what else we can find. Yeah, there's lots of stations. I wonder what that is. Let me look that up on short-wave.info. Let me put in the frequency, which is 9535. 9535. Go. And that says there are a couple of stations broadcasting. China Radio is one of them. I can't pronounce the other one. Abakaza Radio, Abazu Radio. I don't know what that is. And it might be that one because according to short-wave.info's website, that particular station is the strongest one to my location. That's the prediction. And look at the S meter. Boy, it's up there. And apparently they're broadcasting in different languages. And let's see, what time is, Alexa, what time is it in UTC?
In Universal Time Coordinated, it is currently December 13th at 11:34 a.m.
So 11:34 would be that Abakaz. It's Abkhaz. I have no idea how to pronounce it. Could be that, because the other three that are China radio, it says they're not broadcasting right now. So that's probably what it is. And let me look at that on the map, see where that is. Okay, where's the map? How come they're not showing me the map? That's weird. Oh. Well, that's strange. Normally on short-wave.info, when you do a search, it shows you the map. And I don't know why it's not showing me the map. Huh. Weird. My life is so weird. Nope. It doesn't show me. Let me try doing a refresh. No, it doesn't show me the map. It was shown a few minutes ago. No, leave it to me. So I don't know where that location. It says the transmitter site is SUKHUMI. That sounds like it's in China. I'm guessing. Anyway, let's just try one more. Getting a little interference. Look at that.
Yahushua is on earth seeing the devil being cast out of heaven. How can he also
I think that's out of Tennessee.
in heaven who is doing the casting out? Yeah, that's a very good point, to be honest. You can't be in heaven warring with the devil and then on earth at the same time watching it all happen. It's very important that we bring all our beliefs to the test of Scripture and make sure that our doctrines are consistent with all of Scripture. That's true.
Yeah,
that's true.
That's out of Monticello, which is that's WBCQ. Very strong signal. S meter's almost pegged. And that's in way up in northeastern United States.
On WBCQ at 9330 kilohertz
there you
on
go.
the 31 meter band. Last chance radio.
Pretty cool. Again, I'm using my Tecsun S-2200x with my Mega Loop antenna, and it's about 6:30 in the morning here in Florida. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.